Scientists just heard knocking inside a black hole, and the message will terrify you. This changes everything. Black holes aren't just giant space vacuums, they're cosmic puzzles. In 2023, scientists detected strange echoes inside a black hole's event horizon, like knocking on a door to another universe. These echoes match theories about wormholes, tunnels through space and time. But here's what's even stranger. Black holes might remember everything they swallow. One theory suggests they store data, like a cosmic hard drive. Another claims they erase it forever. If black holes are gateways, where do they lead? And could they be watching us? The answer might rewrite everything we know about reality. Subscribe now. Tomorrow's episode reveals how quantum physics proves we're living in a computer program.